how to set up payments on a Wix website. So once you have entered the main page of Wix, we want to scroll down on the left hand side and click on settings. So right here you will see the option to accept payments. So for example, let's say you are selling some sort of digital product or physical product, then here is where you can actually set up your payment methods. So you can either use Stripe, you can use PayPal, or you can do manual payments. So for example, I'm going to do PayPal. So if we click on connect, it will give us a list or a process of how you can connect it. So we have to link our PayPal to our Wix website, and here you will be able to see the fee. So the fees for PayPal are 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. Or if you want to do a manual payment, right here you can click on connect, and basically you can give them the information or instructions of how people can actually pay you for your products. So you can just write it as plain text. You can do manual payments, cash payments, offline payments, or cash on delivery. Or if you want to use Stripe, you have to again connect your Wix account to your Stripe account. So those are 3 ways of how you can accept payments on a Wix website. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.